If you're watching this, you probably felt it, the hesitation before speaking, the overthinking, the frustration of feeling invisible in social situations. Or maybe you're freezing up in conversations, or maybe you're second guessing yourself, or analysis paralysis, or maybe you're rejecting yourself before other people are rejecting you, or maybe you've been rejected so much, it hit you so hard and it's starting to hold you back and you'd rather not approach at all. I know what it's like because I've actually lived it and been there myself. Believe it or not, I had social anxiety, but at the peak of my career as a tantric sex guru, I had all the fame and the viral Vice documentaries. But then, in a moment, I lost it all. I gave too much and I burnt out, and one day I got a crack in my neck, which changed everything. I was given too many yoni massages, and then I couldn't move my body for about 3 years. Then came the Me Too movement, then came COVID and the isolation and separation. Then I moved to Sweden to become a father, and then suddenly I was invisible. For 2 years, I got ghosted and rejected. I didn't become a father, and my confidence was completely gone. I had social anxiety, and my new mantra became, everybody hates me. So I did something radical. I started documenting everything. I started scripting, I started watching videos, I got all these confident hacks and mindset shifts, and I started testing everything out to build up my confidence from the ground up. And eventually conversations started to flow. Rejections lost its power. My presence became a little bit more magnetic. And then I packaged it all together and I utilized it for myself, shared it with my friends, and it worked. And that's why I want to share it with you. I'm going to be teaching you in a beautiful course and a free booklet that you can have in your phone, The Power of Self-Confidence. This course is all about self-confidence and how to overcome social anxiety with these simple scripts. And this isn't theory, this is just what happened to me and what helped me. So this is proven step-by-step systems to completely transform how you interact with the world. And these proven scripts, they're social scripts for any situation. So in any situation, you can put it out and you can read it, and it'll help you from coffee shops to play parties. It'll teach you how to be rejection proof, how to stop the fear of approaching and overcome fear of rejection. It'll teach you about the power of body language and how to command attention, how to be flawless in conversations, how to flow and never run out of things to say with prompts. I also got advanced stuff like the play party blueprint, navigating sensual spaces like tantric in the tantric vortex where I'm from. And you will also get the Krishna Charisma Playbook. It's the size of your phone. You could put it in, and if you're in a coffee shop, restaurant, traveling, or in a play party, you could pull it out and you could read the scripts, and it's got everything for all these situations. So this is what I've created, and it's practical, it's user-friendly, it's easy, it's short, so you never have to be stuck on what to say again. Confidence isn't something you're born with. I wasn't born with it. It's something that you train, and it's like a muscle. You got to put the reps in. I went from being crippled by social anxiety to commanding attention in every room. And if I could do it, you could do it. But you have to take action now. The first step is just to click the link below and enroll today and start your transformation now. So no more hesitating, no more overthinking, just pure effortless confidence. Imagine the world is your buffet and you get to choose every interaction that you want. Remember, this whole world is built on human connection. It's better to be connected to humans and be able to approach anyone you desire than not. So enroll now and start approaching today.